everyone. In this video, we'll go over the core building blocks of visuals in Unity and WEAVR. We'll talk about 3D models, materials, shaders, and renderers, and why each one matters when creating XR experiences. A 3D model is the actual shape of an object in Unity. This is what gives an object its form, like a tool, a machine part, or a button in VR. Models are built from many small flat surfaces. The more of these surfaces a model has, the more detailed it looks, but the harder it is for the headset or computer to render it smoothly. For WEAVR, it's important to use models that are detailed enough to look good, but not so heavy that they hurt the performance. The most common file formats you'll see are FBX, OBJ, and GLTF. For WEAVR and Unity, FBX is the recommended format because it supports hierarchies, animations, and works reliably across platforms. When preparing models for WEAVR, optimization is key. This means removing details that users won't notice in VR and splitting large assemblies into logical parts if they need to be interacted with. Well-optimized models help keep frame rates stable and interactions smooth. Materials define how a model looks on the surface. This includes color, how shiny or rough it is, and whether it looks metallic or matte. Materials do not change the shape of the object, only how it appears visually. Textures are images used inside materials to add detail, like scratches, labels, or surface patterns. Using textures is often better than adding more geometry, because textures give visual detail without hurting the performance. Shaders control how materials are rendered in real time. WEAVR uses Unity's Universal Render Pipeline, also called URP, which is optimized for VR, desktop, and mobile devices. Because of this, it's important to use URP-compatible shaders so your experience runs smoothly across all supported hardware. The renderer is the Unity component that actually displays the model on the scene. It connects the 3D model with its material and shader and decides how it appears in the final experience. If an object has no renderer, it won't be visible, even if everything else is set up correctly. Understanding the renderer helps you debug visual issues like missing objects or incorrect materials. These elements together make up how objects look and behave visually in WEAVR. In the next video, we'll look at how these objects live inside a Unity scene and how to organize them properly for WEAVR procedures. I'll see you in the next one.